This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We just finished up the Tangerine Kandy House of Colors on the RoadGlide. And it's gorgeous. We got custom bags, got an air dam. Notice, so I turned out some of the lights in the paint booth. Notice how dark that looks in low light and how bright it is in good light. But we got all the dash, headlight pieces, lower fairing, lids for the inner fairing. And I'm gonna walk back through the shop. I know my shop's a wreck, but I got 3 paint jobs going at the same time, so it's tough to get them done. This is all the rest of the stuff for the RoadGlide. It'll be done just shortly, and Grumpy can come pick it up, and I think he'll be very pleased with it. Very pleased. It all looks great. That's a lot of pieces to paint without getting any runs in anything, especially all them little parts, especially all around this inner fairing. You got to get clear up in all those little crevices without overdoing it on the outside of it. So this tank looks awesome. I wish I was doing some graphics on it, but he just wants one color. So y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's put some light on that tank. There we go.